Hey babes, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be doing my 2024 shower routine. I'm super excited to film this video for you guys. It's super easy, affordable, but it's going to give you that luscious moisturized skin that we all need and want in the winter time. So first things first, we got to turn on the water and get it very hot. I mean, as a woman, who does not love a piping hot shower? Yes, that's right. So these are the products that I'm going to be using in today's video, and I'll break it down as we go throughout the video. So let's hop in and let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go in with Dial Antibacterial soap as our first cleanse. I love a good first cleanse, so I'll use the Dial or I'll either use the Dr. Bronner soap, whichever one I have on hand, and it just gets me all nice and clean, and it just really preps my skin for the next phase in our shower routine. So moving on to the second cleanse, I'm going to be using the Olay Ultra Moisture as my choice for body wash in the shower. I love to use anything moisturizing, and this is where I go in with my scented body wash as well as a second cleanse. It just smells so good, it feels amazing, and it's bringing back that moisture into the skin that will last all day long. So after we got the first and second cleanse out the way, I like to go ahead and move on to my feminine wash. I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory. I just use my hands and get it all soapy and nice and clean. This is by far my favorite step in the shower. I'm using my Treehut sugar scrub and in the vanilla scent. It smells amazing, it feels amazing, and it's really going to get rid of that dead skin. And I like to use this all over my body, from my chest all the way down to my feet. So now that we've exfoliated and got all the dead skin off, we are now prepped and ready to go ahead and shave. I'm just using this flamingo razor that I got from Target to go ahead and get all the hair off my legs. Now we're ready to cut off the water, dry off real good, step out the shower, grab our robe, put it on, and we're ready to head on to the moisturizing part of this routine. While my skin is a little damp, I like to go ahead and put on my Treehut Whipped Shea body butter all over my skin. Now this body butter here, the texture, the consistency, the moisture, it is unmatched. Like, this feels amazing, it smells amazing. Like, look at that moisture in my skin, girl. Here's an up close shot of my skin, and can we just take a moment, look at the glow on my skin from this moisturizer. Now this Vanisb Pfb product, girl, it is a must-have. I use this every time I get out of the shower. I roll it on and I let it stay, and this really helps my dark marks and ingrown hair. And of course we got to go in with our Degree Advanced 72-hour deodorant, you know, gotta stay fresh. And then this Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume, girl, it smells amazing. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.